Hi, we're here in the Black Hammock in Oviedo, Florida. Notoriously stinky water. I've put in another one of my iron and sulfur eliminators, and we're going to do what I call the 5-gallon white bucket test. If you're on well water, this 5-gallon white bucket test will absolutely tell you the truth about your water. They sell these down at Home Depot, and they're a really neat tool. Watch what happens here. What I'm going to do is go ahead and fill this up with the water. Get the hose water out. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm going to let it fill up, and then we're going to look at the clarity of it. If there's anything wrong with this water, it'll show up in a white 5-gallon bucket. Trace, can you, yeah, let me turn it towards you. That's crystal clear water. Hang on for 1 second. Absolutely odorless. What I like to do is use this white 5-gallon bucket test as proof to my customers that my system is working. What we did here on this system is they had a high stink problem and pretty good amount of iron. They had a water softener, which I redid the head, rebuilt the head, and then put new media inside of it. So we resurrected this water softener, and then we took out an aerator and a chlorine system because it just couldn't keep up with the iron and the smell. Put in our air charging iron and sulfur eliminator, and this whole slab here used to be filled with equipment. Now this sits in here, takes care of the odor and the iron. This takes care of the hardness, finishes polishing the water, and the customer loves it. Thanks for visiting Central Florida Water Systems. You got stinky water, I got the cure.